Next script I have here is to populate my body, which I'm gonna be sending to Cloudflare. And to do this, I make use of this script. And basically what I'm doing is I'm getting some metadata which I need to push down to Cloudflare. So you can see I'm reading the title of the file name, and also I'm loading the asset to subtitle asset, which allows me to get all the subtitles linked to a video asset, for example. And then this is how you configure your load entity configurations. And then I'm additionally reading the blog title, the blog Cloudflare ID, and the blog Cloudflare URLs. And those two relationships, CMP to master linked asset and CMP to linked asset. All right, so basically this is a web script which is going to be executed via API call, and I start preparing my output of the script by populating the J object. So some of the properties of the object includes the name, which I read up there, the Cloudflare ID, which I've read up there, and Cloudflare URL, which I'm able to read here. And then as we go down from the linked videos, I'm able to get the video public URL using that piece of code there. And then for the subtitles, I'll go through the video asset, look for the subtitle of the video asset by navigating through this I parent to many children relation, asset to subtitle asset dot children. And then for the array of the subtitle IDs I receive back, I try and get the entity which represents each of the subtitle assets, and then loop through the subtitles and obtain the language using this get property subtitle language, and the public link goes to the URL of the subtitle, and of course the label is the language I've read above. All right, so the output of this script is what I showed you earlier. If I run the script here, you can see I'm able to get the output, which then I'll be processing within my Azure Function app to push this to downstream.